What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Nene Barcelini back again with another video. And tonight we have Love That Chicken from Popeyes. We got strawberry lemonade. We have some mashed potatoes, some biscuits with the honey. We got some chicken. Oh. And some jalapeno peppers. So let's dig in because I'm hungry. I guess y'all want to see a stomach or something. I don't know. This is before I eat. Stomach, big body beans, okay? Big bags, big body beans. Okay, I think, okay. Okay, so this is highly requested story time, y'all. So I did not want to tell this story because it's ridiculous. Okay. I don't want to tell the story. It is ridiculous. So okay. In Detroit, I forgot what year this was, y'all. I think it's about 2006. This is a burping. Somebody requested a burping story time. Okay, so I think this is about 2006. I think. Let me get the year right. I can't remember. Anyways, I was about 19. And I had a female friend. Her name was Titi. And me and Titi, we hung out a lot. We went places. She was a year older than me. I was 19, she was 20. And Titi, supposed to be my homegirl. She loved skating. So we was always at the skating rink, rollerblading. And so Titi was kind of like a hoe, but I was more of the type like I always had boyfriends. So when I got me a boyfriend, I mean a man that I would see kind of more often than her, I invited her. My boyfriend's name, we're gonna say his name was Don Juan. So I invited her to hang with me and Don Juan. Because I'm thinking this is my homegirl. She always hooked me up on little double dates before I met my little boyfriend. You know. So I'm thinking, and my homegirl, plus my boyfriend, he was a drug dealer. And he was getting money. Like, even though he lived in a hotel, he lived in motels, he got money. So let me show you. When I met him, he was living in the Victory Inns. But when we finally, I would see him more often, we moved to the Red Roof Inn because I had an addiction to their smell. Like, the smell in the room, I would always steal the spray. The spray that makes the Red Roof Inn smell like that. Smell like how they smell. I would always steal the spray And I spray everything. I spray my clothes, my linen, my bed set. I spray everything. Take it home, spray my house with the Red Roof Inn spray. Because I was just so addicted to the Red Roof Inn spray. So he lived at the Red Roof Inn because of me. And let me show you his car. Just because he lived in a motel, he had money. I'm saying he had money. But he just lived in motels. This is his, I don't know, y'all can see this. It's a BMW 645 IC. He bought from an Arab. He put the white rims on it and everything. He bought from an Arab for like $30,000 cash. And he would take me and Titi out all the time. He would just take us places, like out to eat. He would take us dinner, bowling, pool. You know, we just go all type of places. And he loved it because the type of man he was, he loved dressing in suits and stuff like that. And I'm going to show you him. But I blurred out his face. But I'm going to show you him and the type of crew that he would be around. Like, they were always dressing up and stuff like that. You see, they were always dressing up in suits, dress shoes, slacks, button downs. You know, that's how he always dressed. Sometimes he wear jeans and, you know. But when he step out with me and Titi, and let me see if I got a picture of me from back then. But he loved taking us out because it just looked, to other people, it looked like some pimps and hoes type shit. But it was never that. Oh, look who they said they captured. Look, my screen is too light. Look who they said they captured, y'all. I just looked on Facebook right now. They said they caught him in Detroit. Oh, that's a lie. That's a lie. Somebody just trying to get some, girl, ignore that. So, anyway, these people stupid. Anyway, so we would always, like, go out. Like, this is how I would dress. Okay. This is how I be dressing when we step out. So, me, Titi, and Don Juan, we will always, you know, be looking good when we step out. Especially getting out of a BMW. Everybody be looking like, who is that man with them two girls and stuff like that? Because Titi, you know I'm brown skinned, but Titi was high yellow. Like red bone. And it just looked good. So, one day, we was chilling at the Red Roof. And so, Titi, she it's all right. And strawberry lemonade, okay. So Titi, well, she got to be acting weird. Like every time we was with my man, she would always try to say something, like pick on me. She would try to pick on me. Every little thing I did, she would try to belittle me or try to humiliate me in front of my man. But when we were never around him, like she would never act like that. It was so weird. So, oh man. she started this thing where, like, anytime I would burp, she would just be like, just acting so disgusted, like, and then call me a pig. So I burp like, and she'd be like, pig, in front of my man. But when we're not in front of him, when we're not around him, like, she would never, like, she would act like things is normal. So this one night, we was chilling at the Red Roof. We was probably about to go out. Because Don Juan was in the bathroom, probably shaving or something. And me and Titi was out watching TV. I was sitting on the bed. She was in the chair. And I'm drinking my little Belvedere or whatever. Rolling up a blunt. All of a sudden, I burped. Here she go. Pig. Pig. I'm like, so she called me pig one too many times. So I had to come back for her this time. I said, so I was like, bark. She's like, pig. I was like, yo, mammy. So here she go. What, bitch? What you say about my mama? What? So here we go. So it just got too much. So I tell this bitch, you can leave. Cause, like, what is you on? Like, I started thinking this bitch like doing some drugs or something. And so, I was speaking of drugs. Like, even though my man was a drug dealer, I never saw drugs. I never saw no customers, nothing. All I saw was money. So, I really, and I never questioned it. Because he treated me good. Like, he was a good man. I mean, he was funny, silly, you know, all that. So me and Titi was going back and forth. So we make our way outside because I told the bitch to leave. So she got her purse, she got her shoes on, got her phone. We outside. So she walked downstairs. I'm still upstairs. But, because y'all know the Red Roof Inn. It's like, if y'all know the Red Roof Inn, y'all know that banister that, you know, is upstairs. And she was downstairs. So now we're arguing back and forth. She downstairs. I'm over the banister yelling, calling her bitch, bitch, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. Catch the bus home. She talking about some, oh, y'all gonna leave me out here like this, bitch. I ain't got no money. I said, bitch, you was a broke bitch. Fuck you, bitch. And all this stuff. So we was just going back and forth, causing a scene. Don Juan was trying to pull me back inside the room. It was just getting loud and just weird. So all of a sudden, this bitch said something to get me activated. This bitch, we just going around, bitch, bitch, bitch. All of a sudden, this bitch said, that's why I fucked your man, bitch. And I said, bitch, what? So I'm flying down the stairs. I'm leaping down the stairs. I'm like jumping over 2-3 stairs at a time, trying to get down to the motherfucking ground, trying to get downstairs because I'm trying to see if this bitch gonna say this shit to my face. So by the time I get downstairs, this bitch down the street running. So I start running after her. all, all I heard was Don Juan talking about something, wait. So, we running down the street, running away from the hotel. And she see a damn ambulance stopped at a red light. So she started yelling, help! Help! She just yelling for help. I'm like, bitch. So I'm like, damn, if this motherfucking ambulance stop, I ain't gonna be able to whoop her ass. Girl, thank God this ambulance kept going when the light turned green. She running, help! Help! Girl, you's a stupid bitch. So then she started running down a residential street. And I'm running behind her. I was on her ass, even though she had like a head start, because I had to come down the stairs first. I was on her ass. And she ran, we was running down the street, down this residential street. And we ran up to this, we was running past this, there was a man standing on his porch. And I guess he was talking to a neighbor or something like that. So she running. Asking this nigga, can I come in? Can I come in? This bitch chasing me. Can I come in? I'm not too far from behind her. I'm like at least about 4 houses away. 3, 4 houses. I'm like, I'm yelling at the man. Like, you better not. You better not. You better not. So, because I meant what I said. You better not try to be Captain Save a hole around this motherfucker. Because, baby, I ain't tell him, but he probably read my mind or something. Like, he probably read the vibes of everything. Like, this bitch chasing her. If she come in, this crazy bitch chasing her probably gonna cause some trouble. Yeah, I was. Bitch, I would have bust your windows, found something to flatten your tires with. I would start pulling the flowers out your flower bed. I would start scratching your cars. Boy, you would have had some problems, and you don't even know me trying to be Captain Saberhawk. He was like, no, I don't know. So she kept running. I am starting to run past his house. He yelled at me, talking about something. Hey, why you were chasing little mama for? Chasing old girl for? And I'm like, that bitch said she fucked my man. So I'm running. So he was like, oh shit. Yeah, get her. I was like, I'm gonna wear that bitch out. So we keep running. Down the street, down, up the corner, around the corner. So it come to a point, we've been running for so damn long that we start walking because we tired. So I'm still behind her, tired as hell, but walking, talking shit. Come on, why you running, bitch? I just want to talk to you. Why you running? This bitch ain't saying a word. She just trying to get the fuck on. So I try to seize the opportunity while she walking, while she tired. I'm tired too. So I start trying to jog. This bitch look back. She see the gap closing in. I'm getting closer. So she start back running. I'm like, hey. So how it ended was this bitch, she get to the end of a corner and she makes a left. And when she made that left, she just took off like a damn track star. I'm like, damn, so I gotta take off. Even like I was already running, but shit, I gotta put in some more speed. So I get to the corner. I get to the corner. I make my left. I'm looking. I don't see the bitch nowhere. So I'm walking. I'm all out of breath. My chest burning, sweating, huffing and puffing. I'm just looking for the bitch. Where does bitch go? So I'm looking on the cars. I'm looking to see if I see her in the bushes. I'm like, damn, that bitch probably ran through somebody's backyard and jumped the fence and ran to the other side of the block and ran around the corner and was gone. I don't know where this bitch went. So, but I know she close because I know she didn't get all the way down to the end of the block that damn fast. I had just turned the corner. So I started yelling because I know the bitch, if she's still on that block and then run through somebody's backyard and jumped the fence and went to the next block, if she's still on that block, she can hear me. So I started yelling, hoping she come out and start back running or some shit. I'm like, where you at, bitch? No, I ain't say where you at. I said, I see you, bitch. I see you, bitch. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out, bitch. I see you. I see you. I'm gonna whoop your motherfucking ass. You said what you did to my man? What? So she ain't come out. So I'm tired. I said, okay, stay sober. So I walk all the way back to the damn hotel. I get back to the hotel. Don Juan, dumbass. I'm banging on the door. Don Juan, dumbass. Open the door. Oh, trying to fix my hair and stuff. Talking about, son, where you been? Get the fuck off me. That bitch said y'all was fucking. Oh, I promise to God, I swear to God, I ain't touched that girl. You can go through my phone and everything. I said, take me home. So he ended up taking me home. I grabbed my purse, my cell phone, and the Red Roof spray bottle. And I take my ass home. On the way home, I'm on the phone with this bitch. I mean, I call her. She ain't answer. I'm calling like, bitch ain't answering. I said, bitch. I left her a voicemail message. I said, bitch, me and my nigga riding around right now. And when we find you, bitch, we gonna whoop your motherfucking ass. We gonna put hands and feet all on you, hoe. And sent that voicemail. I ain't see that bitch ever again. Ever again. And all that started all because she was trying to belittle me. Calling me pigs and shit when I was burping. Pig. Like, what? Bitch, what? I said, your mammy. Hoe. And she want to pop off about her damn mama. Who actually is the one that looked like a damn pig. So, ugh, I don't like that strawberry. Mm. yeah, I ain't ever see her ever again. As far as me and Down Wine, we were still cool for a little while. There was nothing to really get heated about shit. I couldn't really prove the bitch was, he was just swearing up and down he never fucked this bitch. I was like, okay, whatever. So we still hung out, you know. And, that's all I know. It was a hot mess. That's not the only time. That's not the only time I chased somebody. Like, well, that's the only time I chased a female. Usually I was always chasing niggas. Because niggas always be the ones doing stupid shit. I'm not going to go into details. But y'all, I chased this one nigga, and all this could be proven. I chased this one nigga. He jumped in his car, I jumped in mine. Because he was fucking with me. He jumped in his car, I jumped in my car, and it was a high-speed chase through Detroit. So he's speeding, trying to get away from me. And I'm right on his ass. He can't get away from me because I'm right on his ass in this car. So, this nigga driving down Grand River and Schaefer and ends up blowing through a red light at an intersection and gets smacked by a truck. But I ain't gonna go into details about it. But yeah, I ain't gonna go into details. But he's doing life in prison right now because he got into an accident right across the street from a police station in Detroit. So the police was on his ass. Anyway, he tried to run, but they was on his ass. And he was going around killing people. He tried to kill me, but I had one up on his ass, and he was the one that was left running for his life. So then it was another one that tried. Well, he wasn't trying to kill me. Oh yeah, well, because he shot at me, and I did the Matrix backwards, y'all. When I tell y'all, because he was running. He was trying to get to his car. And when he seen that I was right there on his ass, he started shooting at me. So I instantly did the Matrix. I was like, so that the bullets wouldn't even hit me. He got away. He got away for that day. 2 days later. I'm not even going to go into details about this. Because detectives is still like, bitch, you had something to do with that. No. But 2 days later, he got killed 2 days later. So, did I do that? But I ain't gonna go into details about neither one of them. So one dead, one is in prison for the rest of his life. And he almost got killed. Because I wasn't having it. Okay? These niggas be losing their minds and they forget who the fuck people be fucking with. That's all I'm saying. But, yeah, y'all. That was a little story time for me, Burping. So, I'm getting full. I'm not really feeling the strawberry lemonade. Ugh. I'm gonna stick to the Sprite. Okay. Mm. Yeah. But because of Titi, I don't fuck with no females. Really. I don't fuck with females. Mm-mm. The females is so shady. You can't help no female. If that bitch broke, she gonna stay broke around me. Fuck on. You can't, Bitches be stealing, okay? Like, what you gotta steal for? I'ma feed you, bitch. Well, go ahead. You can steal all you want, bitch. That'll be your last time stealing from me, hoe. I don't fuck with females. I don't have no females in my house. Like my one coworker, she gonna try. Say, yeah, girl, and we gonna hang out at your house. I'm gonna come over your house. No, the fuck you ain't. No, fuck you, it's not, girl. I don't care, coworker, no coworker. I don't fuck with females. But I was playing along like, yeah, girl. Yeah, girl, when you want to do that? But, these people, you gotta be careful around these people. Yeah. Okay. I mean, the mashed potatoes is okay. I'm scared I'm gonna see a roach. Y'all remember that story from that employee that got fired, that girl that got fired from Popeyes for exposing that they had cockroaches? I'm so scared. I can't eat that no more. Okay. Let me get me another pop. Hopefully I got me another pop. Yeah, I don't trust these bitches. Hell no. We can't be friends. No, you can't come to my house. No. Like, ooh. Mmm. Mm-hmm. The biscuit is trash. Okay. I will not be getting Popeyes no time ever soon. No, ma'am. But if y'all know any restaurants in Detroit, Metro Detroit, surrounding suburbs, cities, any restaurants, let me know. If y'all know, let me know what y'all want me to go get something. Maybe like I don't know what y'all want me to see me eat. Okay, I love you, YouTube. I gotta go. I guess y'all want to see it after. Ugh. After. I think my stomach looks the same. Oh. Damn, I look pregnant. Okay, let me sit my ass down. Oh no. Okay. Girl, I need to do some squats, some sit-ups, some push, like some crunches, some song. Oh no, man. We can't have that. Okay. Girl, cause I was not always this big, y'all. I'm promised to God I wasn't. Look, I used to be 120 pounds, 25 pounds to 140 pounds, 45 pounds. Now I'm like, I don't even want to say how much I weigh now. I don't even want to say it. But best believe, y'all better watch out, okay? And please subscribe, please. Please subscribe, or I'm gonna be chasing your ass. Holla.